Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
First, unlock your Android device and keep the screen on for the check. Make sure your battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Note your Android version in Settings so you know where menus appear. You must enable developer options to view USB debugging because it stays hidden otherwise. These steps prevent confusion and help you find the exact setting location quickly. Now get ready to open Settings and follow the next steps carefully. Open Settings and scroll to About Phone to locate build number. Tap build number 7 times to enable developer options on most devices. You will see a confirmation that developer options are active on screen. Return to the main settings and open System or Advanced menus to find developer options. Enter developer options and scroll to the USB debugging toggle near the bottom of the list. Toggle USB debugging on when you need to allow ADB access from a connected computer. After enabling USB debugging, you will often see a one-time warning dialog. Read the warning and accept it to allow ADB connections from trusted computers. Connect the device to a computer using a USB cable that supports data transfer. On the computer, run the command ADB devices to list connected devices and confirm debugging status. If the device prompts for authorization, accept the RSA fingerprint to trust that.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.